Because grace is Tirupati, we need to have volunteers. In this Tirupati, right from Abhishekam for all the gods and goddesses surrounding this Tirumala hills, and Vibhuti, Kumkumam, Dhoopam, then tooth powder, everything should be from native government. Why Tirupati need to depend on something from Haridwar or other places actually? If like this self-sustainable movement, if we are able to create, other places also will do. Because every day more than 70,000 visitors come to Tirupati. Please correct me if I am wrong, because I checked with Swamiji as well and confirmed. And on a weekend, 1.5 lakh people are coming. If all of us take concentrated effort in Tirupati, all the Goshalas, rather than fighting with each other to compete which brand is higher, I am not saying here we are doing, this is what happening in most of the places. I will do my own brand, we have a common brand for you. So, we will work together, we will train. So up till now, we have trained close to 10,000 farmers. That's where I am coming. We started to 2014, then we moved, then we are not only a Seva movement now, we have now 8 full-timers working in 𝗙𝗵𝘁, Hyderabad. He has dedicated his life for this cause. Fully traveling in Goa Yatra. His name is Shivakumar. And 𝗪𝗵𝘁, he is a 𝗪𝗵𝘁. He is from Tirunelveli. Like that, 8 gems are with us, who told that we will be a farmer, but we will travel across every place. Today, what is the deficit with the training that we are getting, right? People train on Go products. After that, they will go. This person will go, what he told them. Last time he told that this raw material or this. What GoPals offer is, we will come to your place. Train your Goshala and their workers on what to do. Then we will exit the place. Before coming here, in Madarapalli, there is one Goshala. What's its name? 𝗪𝗵𝘁 Goshala. There we made every worker how to do Vibhuti. We also did. We cleaned the shala, the same powder we prepared that 𝗓𝗏 balls. We taught them how to prepare Vibhuti, what are all the techniques, and this is the 3rd time we are teaching. This time we told clearly purpose, don't do it as a job, do it as, tell Ramanama and do it, so that people who use the Vibhuti, this whole purpose it is going to temple. Because my dear friends, Tamil Nadu 5,000 tons are required Vibhuti. Tiruchendur temple alone 300 kgs of Vibhuti is required per day. But unfortunately, 300 tons for one temple. Tiruchendur, 𝗪𝗵𝘁. So since I am from that region, 𝗪𝗵𝘁 has got stomach pain. So, to get rid of that stomach pain, he sang Subramanya Bhujangamh. Many of you must be aware. Till today, in Tiruchendur, early morning, Subramanya Bhujangamh is sung by the priest. The Vedic Pandits will come to Tiruchendur temple and Ilai Vibhuti, that is in the betel leaves, not betel leaves, in 𝗪𝗵𝘁 they call 𝗪𝗵𝘁, they offer Vibhuti. My dear friends and my dear close devotees of this ashram, even that Vibhuti is chemical. Okay, this is the state. Where is the cow first? You please tell me. We need to understand. Everything is adulterated. And we have the habit of eating the Vibhuti. In Tiruchendur temple, 𝗪𝗵𝘁 was given that Vibhuti. After having that Vibhuti, his stomach pain was cured. So Subramanya Bhujangamh plus Vibhuti. So this tradition still we have. Today Vibhuti, if we have or take, we will get cancer or any other disease. This is the state of our country. So I have taken this Sankalpa and he has taken this Sankalpa. Like that, thousands of GoPals volunteers are working mainly for this. We don't have personal agenda. Thinking that these guys are paid by some ex-corporates or no, nobody pays for cleaning the shala. Who will pay? You tell me. This is the toughest work in the universe. I could have just went to a school and did some teaching and I could have stayed back. I have left my corporate job not to take the mercy of you or something, because I saw that cancer is coming to multiple places. I myself, in 2014, during the same time, I used to buy 𝗀𝗏𝗃 bottles and carry that 𝗀𝗏𝗃 bottles from Malur till Madras and taken on my head as well and given in the cancer hospital. Next day morning it will be thrown out because awareness is not there. So first, what is the purpose? Why we need to have? So in all our events, first cleaning the shala, then we will ask them, we will tell this is 𝗁𝗏𝗃. The 𝗁𝗏𝗃 is why, as per the climate, different, it needs to store the energy. These things will tail of an Indian breed cow, and why skin is this much for an Indian breed cow. All these things we will ask them to cuddle the cow, see the aura that comes into picture.